got that motherfucking pedigree. But generally, all my ex-hoes become my enemies, and my next hoes would deal with jealousy from a couple chica history. It's so deep. Couple of the bitches that ain't important, and pussy current was a sport. They call me Jordan, with my endorsement remain the doorman when it comes to these bitches that play it for me. Ay. All the girls out of fuck, we got kids or ex-husbands, they junkies or strippers, but hey, I'm not judging. The fuck with the hippie bitch, fuck with the skinny bitch, fuck with the needy bitch, fuck with the greedy bitch, nah, I can't do that shit. Too much energy spent unsuccessfully. Oh, please just let me be one of your memories.
Fuck.